means you need more O2, so you get a higher VO2 in each stage. So what I'm going to do now is ask you that same question that I asked about heart rate. If I kept that test going, and we kept adding stages on until they reached exhaustion and so they can't do it anymore, and this is going to be VO2. What do you think might happen to that response?
Increase.
Would it just keep increasing?
Yeah.
The
level of as well.
level
If your heart rate level is okay.
Okay, so you're both right. It can do one or two things. It can just keep increasing and then stop there, because the person might say, I can't do any more, or they just can't maintain that power output, so they stop the test. So we have to take the heart rate there. What else can happen is, as you say, it can level off, so it no longer increases. So in any case, at both points, what have we achieved?
Maximum. One VO2.
So, if we do that, we've just done a VO2 max test. Okay, so you might have heard of one of those tests. Very similar to what you've done, only we have shorter stages. We keep ramping it up, so increasing the intensity till they can't carry on. Okay, and then at the point where we see a plateau, we say that's their VO2 max. So when you hear of athletes having their VO2 max testing done, they've done like, pretty similar to the test you've done today. The only difference is, instead of using Douglas bags, in most cases we use one of these, which is an online gas analyzer. And what this does, it measures everything in real time, so it does it there and then. So instead of having to bring Douglas bags over and measure it then, we get it on the screen, get CO2, VO2, heart rate, everything's on that screen. So it's a lot easier to do in terms of testing. The only problem is, we can't have like 6 of these in the lab because they're so expensive. So that's why Douglas bags are still used, and they're still a good method provided to use them correctly.